These are the same black splodges, but perceived in 3 different ways, with 2 different interpretations, with only one person seeing the panda. It is the panda we wanted them to interpret. Let us flip this example from perception to semiotic encoding of the visual elements. In the drawing of the panda, the creator has used certain marks to form the shape of what we know as a panda. The distinctive black and white markings are crafted in such a way, utilising the gestalt or figure and ground to emphasise a panda. Semiotically speaking, each mark used is individually meaning bearing. Each mark is an encoded semiotic sign. Think of each mark as a micro visual communication building block, which is semiotically functioning at the lowest level of a conic representation. Yes, I know mark also has a meaning in branding.